Guys, I came across this app you are seeing right here where you can be doing simple survey tasks and be making some little money for yourself daily. Yes, I came across this app and I want us to review the app together, talk about the app together, how you can be making money from the app just by doing simple survey tasks like answering some survey questions and also doing some offer tasks and also play some little games from the app, and you'll be making money for yourself. I want us to take a look at this app together, how you can install the app on your phone and how you can be doing these things and be making money for yourself. Without saying so much, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we'll teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. If that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go drive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how this application work and how you can be perform simple tasks, and also how you can be doing some simple things, minor things in this app and be making money for yourself. Let's get started.
Now let's get started, and to get started all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video. You see a link to my Telegram channel. I'll be leaving down the link to this app in my Telegram channel, so make sure you go and join my Telegram channel. After you join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link to this app. Then when you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to sign up. Now as you can see, it says golden surveys, answer questions, earn cash. So as you can see, answer question and earn cash. So all you have to do is to click on sign up. Now I will be registering this new account and show you guys how to perform tasks in this app and be making money for yourself. Now let me register and show you guys how it works. Now after you successfully register, you are going to see your balance here. As you can see, my balance is 0.00. Now as you can see, it says survey here. I should start survey. If I can be able to answer this survey for less than 1 minute, I will earn 849 naira. Now I want us to start by answering this first survey and earn this money. Now the first thing we have to do is to click on start survey, and when we click on start survey, it will take us to an interface where we can start this survey and earn this money. So let's wait for a minute. Let me answer this survey's question. Make sure you watch everything step by step. Never you skip any part so that you get everything done right. So now let me answer this survey question and continue the video. Now as you can see, this is it. It says start. Now I'll click on start. After clicking on start, it's going to take me to where I'm going to start answering these questions. Now as you can see, earn cash through survey is easy, but you need to make sure you take your time and answer surveys faithfully and accurate something. So you just have to read through all this. Now here is the question. Here is an example, which is not a type of ground transportation. Now airplane is not a ground transportation. So our next question, it may result, will this be easy to do? When answering a question where you need to type the answer, make sure to keep your language clean and illegible. Otherwise, will it be easy to do? Yes. Now, how important is online privacy and security? Very important. Make sure you follow this. Now, when did you expect to receive more surveys? Weekdays. So as you can see, saving result. Now as you can see, it's updating your profile. So as you can see, I've just successfully answered those questions right now. Let's just give it some minutes so that it will update and we'll see our balance. Now after answering that survey, they also bring another survey for us here, which you can also perform right now again. Now as you can see, the second survey they just give us right now, this one is going for 6 minutes and will be earning 778 naira. We can decide to click on start survey right now again and start doing this survey and make another money for ourselves. But before we do that, next thing, let me show you another way you can also earn money in this app by clicking on here. When you click on this second box here, as you can see, say earn a lifetime 10% commission bonus. invite friends. So if you invite friends, you'll be earning 10% of everybody you invited to this platform. So this is the second one here. All you just have to do is just to copy your referral link here, this one that you are seeing, referral code, and invite people, and you also earn some commission for inviting people. Now another thing is that when you click on this next one here, this is where you can also start playing games. As you can see, start playing now, games and game earning teams. So if you can be able to play game here, this game you'll be earning 14,160 naira. That is what they say, that if you play game here, you also earn this money. Now the next box here, when you click on it, this is where you are going to withdraw your money if you have successfully earned a lot of money from this platform. Now this is where you are going to withdraw your money if you have successfully earned up to 11,000 naira. These are their payment method which you can use to withdraw money from this platform. As you can see, it's still locked. So if you have up to 11,000 in your balance, you can straightly come to here and withdraw your money through any of this method. As you can see, they have different type of method which you can use to withdraw money from this platform. Now let's go to the home page. When we come back to the home page now, you will still see that this is our second survey is still there. Now I want us to perform this survey together again and see how much we are going to earn in total. With the first one we perform, how much we are going to earn in total. Now let's click on start survey, but I don't want to waste much of your time. So I will perform these surveys and earn some money for myself. So you can also check this out. Now, as you can see, after one survey, our balance right now has increased to 1,698 naira just by doing those survey. Now, it's telling us to get paid for playing games and make another money. But I don't want us to do that right now because this video will be so long. So I don't want this video to be so long. So as you can see, just by answering 2 survey questions, we have earned money already. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos.